Hey, welcome back. Let's move to step number 2 in design thinking. That step is called define. And the intention is to capture our understanding of our customer after we have empathized with them and make it accessible to our team and to our stakeholders, resulting in a shared understanding about our various customer groups. There are different tools you can use for that. One of the tools that I like most is the persona. Now, many of you might ask yourself, why don't we just use the empathy map canvas or the value proposition canvas? If you fill out those tools, they're exceptionally well as thinking tools. But especially once you have many stickies in them, they're not that good to present your understanding of the customer and continuously use them to talk about your customer. Contrary to those thinking tools, the persona is a great presentation tool. It helps you capture your understanding of your various customer groups and communicate much more efficiently and effectively about each of those customer segments. There are hundreds of different templates with regards to creating personas. One of my favorite templates is Roma's persona template from a trainer colleague, Roman Pickler. And that persona template is also part of your workbook. So how do you approach creating personas? The first question you have to ask is, how many different customer groups do we actually have? Let's take this online course as an example. In this case, we have mainly 3 different types of personas or customer segments. Number 1 is the HR people that buy these courses to enable the people within their organizations. Number 2 are the practitioners within those organizations, being project managers like you, scrum masters, product owners, agile leaders, all of whom want to learn about agile project management. And the third group that we have are coaches and consultants that also want to learn, but based on what they learn, they also want to teach, they want to coach, they want to consult. So 3 different customer groups with different jobs to be done, different pains and different gains. The second question you ask is, who would be most representative of a specific customer group? And most representative in terms of age, maybe in terms of gender, maybe in terms of academic background, all of those things that you have realized or patterns that you have seen when you spoke to people from that particular customer group. And finally, you can think about some character traits that those people had and put all of those pieces of information together to create a persona that you can refer to when you're building the product. So instead of saying we're building this feature for the 35 to 45-year-old people with this and this and this characteristic, you can just refer to Peter, Isabella, whoever your persona is. It makes your communication so much easier once you do the second step of design thinking, being define. In the next video, we will look at step number 3, which helps us now move from the problem space, which step 1 and 2 are part of, into the solution space. I'll see you there.